This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Gage Dopel. Check out this completely renovated A-frame home boasting beautiful views of Norris Lake. Upon arrival, you'll immediately notice the impeccable quality of the renovation, from the sleek new black siding to the copper-colored roof and the newly constructed decks. Step inside to further admire the beauty of this home. The open concept layout allows for seamless indoor gatherings in the great room or effortless transition onto the deck to bask in the natural beauty of East Tennessee. Every inch of this home has undergone recent renovations, including the exquisite flooring, modern kitchen, stylish light fixtures, and much more. The primary bedroom and a spacious full bathroom with a walk-in shower are conveniently located on the main floor. Upstairs, discover the bunk loft spanning from front to back, offering ample space for multiple queen beds. Consider dividing this loft space to create an additional bedroom, transforming this into a 3-bedroom home. Washer and dryer hookups are tucked away inside the main closet near the kitchen for added convenience. The crawl space is encapsulated with a dehumidifier, ensuring optimal conditions. No compromises were made during this remodel. The owners have also installed a new concrete driveway which is shared with a neighbor. This home offers unparalleled quality for its price in the Norris Lake area. This would make for a great summer home for the family or investment property. Located within walking distance of Norris Lake and a short 15-minute drive from 3 full-service marinas, this property is a must-see. Schedule your private tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Gage Dopel at 865-687-1111.